Hello children, this is Monica Singh, faculty of Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Our today's topic is chapter number 2, I Want from English Literature book. One day little monkey said to himself that he want to be big and he want to be strong. Now children, while he was saying this to himself, a wise woman hears him. Wise woman said to monkey that take this magic wand and all your wishes can come true. Monkey took that wand and he was very happy. After some time, giraffe comes near the tree and he stretches his long neck and he eats sweet leaves at the top of the trees. Monkey says, I want a long neck. And children, as he says, there was a pop sound and his neck grew just like the giraffe's. He was very happy. Then he saw an elephant who comes down to the river. Elephant filled his trunk with water and he blows it all over himself. Monkey also want to do that, so he says, I want to do that too. And then there was a bang sound and he got trunk just like elephant. He was very happy. He says that this is fun. Then monkey saw zebra. Children, as he saw zebra, he wants the stripe like on zebra's body. So he says, I want stripes like those, and there was a whiz sound and monkey got stripes all over his body just like the zebra. He was again very happy. Then he goes to the river to try out his new trunk. As he looks down, he sees himself in the water. He cries, Help, mother, a monster! Then his mother came and she said, That's not a monster, that's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Then little monkey cries and cries. He was continuously crying and he says that I am looking awful. I want to be myself again. As soon as he says I want to be myself again, there is a pop, a bang and a whiz sound and he became himself again. The little monkey was very happy and he was jumping with joy. He throws magic wand into the river and he promised himself that he will never want to be anyone else again. Thank you, children.